Good morning, Lions. Today is June 4th, 2020, and it is the last day of school. I am so sad that this year has ended the way it has, but I am so proud of all of our Lions because you roared every day, single day. You showed respect, you were on task, you were achieving, and you showed responsibility. And that is what I'm most proud of, Lions, that we continued to be focused and motivated, even in our distance learning. So, Lions, today's weather calls for a high of 107. So to say it's going to be hot is an understatement. So make sure that if you are out in this weather, you do so early in the morning, you wear light colors, not the dark like I'm wearing, and you drink plenty of fluids. You got to stay hydrated. I don't want anybody getting sick because of the heat. All right, Lions. Now, being that it's the last day, I want to do some announcements in terms of birthdays. So let's start with some of these birthdays. Today we have Rafael Flores turning 10. Happy birthday. Now this is for the rest of the month of June. We have Kennedy Joyce turning 7. Candace Robles Marin turning 6, all on the 6th. On the 7th, we have Denise Loza turning 9 and Christian Perkins turning 12. On the 8th, we have Snow Dominguez turning 6 and Angelina Madrigal turning 9. On the 9th, we had Frankie Mowry turning 7 and Elena Ponce turning 7. And on the 10th, we have Aubrey Garcia and Janelle Green both turning 6. On the 11th, we have Joseph Torres turning 7. On the 12th, we have Isaac Zubia turning 8. On the 13th, we have Eleanor Valdez Loomis turning 6. On the 15th, we have Charlotte Rodriguez turning 8. On the 16th, we have Aaliyah Lopez turning 8, Kylie Pena turning 9, and Margaret Simpson turning 11. And on the 17th, we have Jeremiah Castro turning 9, Alea Harkness turning 10, and Adan Perez turning 7. On the 18th, we have Mia Cadena turning 11, and Jaylyn Gonzalez Transvina turning 9. On the 22nd of June, we have Nathalia Carmona turning 7, and Naomi Martinez turning 11. On the 23rd, we have Delcy Palmerin turning 12 and Mason Walker turning 9. On the 24th, we have Amelia Gonzalez turning 6, Melina Gutierrez turning 12, and Prince Typhon Mendoza turning 6. We have on the 25th, Cineria De Leon turning 8. We have on the 26th, Brianna Melgoza Zendejas turning 11. 27th, Madison Wilson will be 12. On the 28th, Giselle Carrion will be 7. On the 29th, Logan Norwood would be 7. Noelle and Toribio will be 9. And on the 30th, Brandon Mendez will be 12. And Juan Solario will be 11. Those are all of our June birthdays for students. For our June adult birthdays, we have Mrs. Ayala's birthday is on the 21st of June. Mrs. Barcelos is on the 27th of June. Miss Casillas is on June 19th. And we have Mrs. Rose in our cafeteria. So Miss Clara will be, her birthday is on the 18th. And I think that's all of our June birthdays for adults. So, now, Lions, I'm going to go to announcements, and at the very end, I'll do all the July birthdays. But for announcements, we are done serving lunches. But on Thursday, today, and tomorrow, Friday, we will be collecting your Chromebooks. Now, we're doing it alpha by last name. If there's some reason those times don't work or you need to come on a different day, please give us a call or just shoot us an email, and this way we'll be prepared. But we will have the front part of the driveway from the entrance on Bush Street through the circle yellow drop-off section up until the crosswalk. If you have any personal items that you have forgotten, we'll have you start through there. If you have them, we'll be able to hand them to you. Then you continue down the yellow line, and the Chromebook drop-off will be at the far end. It will be on the east end of the drop-off, and we'll be taking Chromebooks. We will be taking chargers there, and we will also be taking any library books that you have at home, and also any school uniforms. And if you borrowed a MiFi unit, that's the hotspot, we will need that returned as well. Again, if there are any kind of hiccups about drop-off or when you can drop them off, please give us a call here. We've got Miss Amy, Miss Yessie, and Miss Leanne are here answering phones, and we'll be able to answer your questions or help you make sure that all of those things get turned in on time. All right. I think that's it for announcements. Now let's get to those July birthdays because we have a lot. We have 2 pages. I only have 1 page of June, but I got 2 pages of July. And you know what? I'm going to start with teachers because it's faster. There's not as many. But I did forget a June birthday. So just before we get there, I forgot that Miss Abad's birthday is also on the 19th. So it's coming up. All right, July birthdays for our adult staff. We have Miss Lorraine, who works in the cafeteria. Her birthday is July 1st. And then we have, let me see here. I just want to make sure. Oh, we have Mrs. Maldonado. Hers is on the 7th. And we have, I believe that's it. Oh, yep, that is it. That is all our July birthdays. We only have 2 in July for our staff now, but we have a lot of students. All right, here we go. On July 1st, we have Jacob Roshan. And on July 3rd, we have Cyrus Davis, Juliana Diaz, and Sebastian Navarro. On July 4th, we have Anaya George Lee and Hunter Ramos. On the 6th, we have Daniel Almanza, Riley Austin, Jelena Bell, Juliet Chavez, and Yulisa Ortega. On the 8th, we have Britton Harrison and Araya Johnson. On the 9th, we have Bailey Gagnon and Raymond Mendez and Christopher Morales and Emily Villanueva Tafoya and Xavier Williams Loftus. On the 10th, we have Summer Soto. On the 11th, Jaden Freitas. On the 12th, Braden Diaz, Natalia Perkins, Gloria Rojas. On the 13th, we have Ana Govia. On the 14th, we have Marley Walthing Luma. On the 15th, we have Christopher Ochoa, Junior Tamayo. On the 16th, we have Desiree Hinkiwas and Isabella Marquez Hernandez. On the 17th, we have River Baker, Alejandra Bello, Jordan Jackson. On the 19th, we have Georgiana Ibarra. On the 20th, we have David Johnson and Valeria Quiros. On the 21st, we have Jasmine Castillo Gonzalez and Annalisa Wallace. On the 23rd, we have Clayton Andrade, Adam Gagnon, and Chase Sandoval. On the 24th, we have Christian Neal. On the 25th, we have Jaden Ramos. On the 26th, we have Isaiah Patrick, Alexandra Santian, James Wagner. On the 30th, we have Alea Aldama, Setufu Lagu, Prince Lopez, Yasmin Magdaleno, and Sydney Quare. That is all our birthdays for June and July. All right, Lions, if you have a birthday over summer, happy birthday. August birthdays, we will get you when we get back on August 11th. That's our first day back. Keep watching for your emails, the website, Facebook, because we will update how we're coming back to school. But Lions, we are coming back because I miss your faces. I miss this right here, to get to see you, to talk to you, and to hear about how much you have learned. Now, promise me one thing, Lions. You're going to read over summer, because our goal is that every student from kindergarten through 6th grade be reading on grade level by the time the 2021 school year is over. I'm challenging you, Lions. Let's read. I'm going to be checking Soria Overdrive, and I'm going to be checking Epic to make sure you are reading. So those are open for you through the summer. So make sure you're using all those online books if you can. And other than that, I want you to have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful summer. We miss you, we love you, and we want you to take care of yourself. Be safe, be socially distancing, and be appropriate. Wash those hands. And most importantly, enjoy your time off of school. We'll again see you on August 11th. All right, Lions, have a wonderful summer. Last time I'm going to say it, we are one school with one mission, and that is learning every day. Success is not an accident, it's a choice. And I want you to make that choice today. It's now time for the flag salute.